So if we are given a to the power b is equal to c, we can write this as log c base a is equal to b. So if we know 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8, so we can also write this as log 8 base 2 is equal to 3. We know 3 to the power minus 3 is equal to 1 over 27. So we can write this as log 1 over 27 to the base 3 equals minus 3. So if 10 to the power minus 2 is equal to 0.01, so we can change that into log 0.01 base 10 equals minus 2. So if 81 to the power 3 over 4 is equal to 27, this can be written as equals log 27 base 81 equals 3 over 4. So we have seen how we can change an exponential form, a to the power b equals c, into logarithmic form, which becomes log c base a equals b. Now, if we are given a logarithmic form, we can also change it back into exponential form. So if we are given log c base a equals b, we can change it back into exponential form, which becomes a to the power b equals c. So if log capital B base small b is equal to x, then we can write this as small b raised to the power x equals capital B. If log 1 base 10 is equal to 0, we can write it as 10 to the power 0 is equal to 1. And we know that anything raised to the power 0 is 1. And because anything raised to the power 0 is always equal to 1, we can safely say that logarithm of 1 base anything always equals to 0. So if we have log 1 base 20, that will also be equal to 0. And we can also write this as 20 to the power 0 is equal to 1. Log 0.001 base 10 is equal to minus 3. So we can write this as 10 to the power minus 3 is equal to 0.001. What if you are given an equation like this, log x base 10 equals minus 3, and then you are asked to find the value of x. Now we know if log c base a equals b, we can write it in exponential form as a to the power b equals c. So we can write this equation as 10 to the power minus 3 equals x, or x equals 1 over 10 to the power 3, which is equal to 0.001. Let's say we are given log x base 10 is equal to y, and I tell you that this means 10 to the power x is equal to y. Am I right or wrong? Correct. I'm wrong, because this means 10 to the power y is equal to x, not 10 to the power x is equal to y. Okay? Because we know if a to the power b is equal to c, then log c base a equals b. Or if log c base a equals b, then we can write this as a to the power b equals c. Now let's say p to the power q is equal to r. And if I tell you that this is equal to log r base p equals q, am I right or wrong? Correct, this is right. How about log 8 base 2 equals 3? Do you think this is a correct equation? Yes, it is correct, because we can write this as 2 to the power 3 is equal to 8, which is correct. How about log 2 base 8 equals 1 upon 3? Is this a correct equation? Right, this is also right, because this can be written as 8 to the power 1 by 3 equals 2. Or we can also write this as cube root of 8 equals 2. This is correct. We will practice some more log questions and concepts in the next video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.